Babe,
What?
look what I got.
Oh boy. What on earth is that?
It's for your ear.
Okay.
Watch. It's got a camera and it connects to your phone.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
All right.
If you guys are like brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and let's do the unboxing. So this is the box. You have your charger. This little thing has a camera. We're gonna connect that to our phone. And these are all the tools for cleaning. It's like 10 pieces. This is cool. This one here, you have some extra ones. So in the box, it comes with a manual. If you want to download the app, this is the code you have to scan on your phone. So if you just open your camera, see that yellow link? You touch that link, and that goes to the app. Or it should go to the app. Let's do this again. Let's see. Oh, perfect. So this is the app. It took a second. I guess you should be more patient. Just hit install. And it's going to install it. Now, I don't know if this is charged or no, but let's open this. There's a privacy policy. We have to agree. Not connected. So let's see. It says start. Now, we're going to turn this on. Oh, it's charged. Perfect. Nice. Now, I'm going to scan this. And let's see what it gets. This is the one I think. Oops. And it's going to tell you you don't have internet. Don't worry about it. Just go connect only this time. Perfect. Now you go back and you go to the app. Perfect. Look at this. Wow. You can actually use this. This is for the ear. Like, okay, I'm not a doctor, so you have to consult your doctor. But if you get the stuff stuck in the ear or you have an ear wax, this is perfect to clean it. Just to give you an idea. And the app is really cool. Look at this. Oops. You can rotate. You can mirror. You can zoom in. Wow. You can take a snapshot. Or you can also record it. Let's look at this real quick. See how the quality is actually. You got that? Oh, wow. So if you have like, good thing my ear is clean. If you have ear wax, this plastic piece, it just catches it and takes it out. This is actually really cool. And then, this one is washable. See that top part? This comes off. Okay, you can take it off. And you have the extra pieces. You can wash them with hot water or whatever you want, right? This is super cool. Now, I've seen these online. I've seen them on Amazon. And they're anywhere $24.99, $34.99, all the way to like $40. I'm going to leave you guys the link for the best sellers. You can order it online. We also sell this for $29.99, $30. If you want one for yourself, if you want one for a gift, just shoot me a message.